That prop file defines Android system properties, device-level configuration parameters that control how the operating system behaves. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view or modify these system configuration files safely. My experience tells me that some PROP files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. PROP files are Android system property configuration files stored in the device's system partition. They contain key value pairs defining device properties, such as hardware specifications, build information network settings, and performance parameters for the Android OS. Android PROP files use a plain text key value format with properties like ro.build.display.id for build version and ro.product.model for device model. Files like build.prop and default.prop are read during boot to configure system-level device behavior. This PROP file is handled by the industry standard tool Android Operating System from Google LLC. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows may show formatting clearly, but proper edits depend on understanding the setting relationships. Your key initial action: right-click the PROP file and select Open With. If Android operating system is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the PROP file opens. If the PROP file is still giving you trouble, relax. The reason for the error is almost certainly the PROP file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, viewing the file. Connect your Android device to a computer via USB and enable USB debugging. Use ADB by running ADB shell getProp to view all system properties, or use ADB pull system build.prop to download the prop file for viewing in any text editor. Next, editing properties. Root access is required to modify prop files. Use a root file manager like Solid Explorer on a rooted device to navigate to System and open build.prop. Make your changes, save the file, and reboot your device for the new property values to take effect. Finally, safety precautions. Always create a backup of the original prop file before making any modifications. Incorrect property values can cause boot loops or system instability. If your device fails to boot after editing, restore the backup using TWRP recovery or ADB sideload commands. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.